Hey guys, Ratan here. Welcome to my channel, The Daru TV. So I know it's been more than a month I've not uploaded any video, but today it's going to be a unique video. As you came across the title, yes, I'll be showing you how to make fiery old monk wings. Yes, this is my own recipe and I really love it because I'll be using my favorite rum, the Old Monk rum. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. Guys, for this we'll be needing our chicken wings, and the first thing is we need to marinate our wings. So we'll just put it in a bowl. Make sure you have the skin. So let's put it in the bowl. So this is a simple marinade. We just need pepper, salt, and yes, the main ingredient, Old Monk. We'll be taking our main ingredient, the Old Monk rum. So I'll be adding around 60 ml of rum, around half a teaspoon of salt, and also we'll be needing pepper. So I like it spicy, so I'll be adding a bit more. Yep, that's enough, and let's just mix it well. Make sure to keep it in the fridge for marination, so all the juices and of the Old Monk, the flavor, it actually goes in the chicken. So we'll keep it for 15 minutes and I'll get back to you after 15 minutes. So guys, as you see, I have actually marinated the wings for more than 20 to 30 minutes. So right now I'll be drying the wings. I have taken the kitchen towel, and I am placing my wings so it dries out all the liquid. So I'm just putting it on it. So right now I've taken vegetable oil, so I've put the flame on medium. It is kind of hot. Make sure your wings is dried enough, and we'll just fry it. So make sure not to overcrowd your pan because it won't cook also. Make sure you have enough space for the wings also. So let it cook for around 5 to 8 minutes and I'll get back to you. So guys, it's been around 8 to 10 minutes. I think it is fried. I think it is cooked and it looks crispy. So I'll be taking it out on a paper towel. So here's the second round. I'll just finish it off, and the next thing is I'll be showing you how to make the fiery sauce with Old Monk rum. Round 2 of wings are done. So let's keep it aside. Let's keep this pan aside, and now it's a time to make our special Old Monk sauce. So for this, what we need is, so we'll take the same oil from which we cooked our chicken here. Yep, that's enough. So to this, once the oil is heated, we'll be adding our chopped garlic. So let's saute this for like around 1 or 2 minutes. To this we'll be adding our barbecue sauce. Here I'm using Kea. You can use any barbecue sauce. So I'll be using around 100 to 200 grams of barbecue sauce. Yep, that's enough. We'll put our flame to low. Let's just saute it with our garlic so we get this nice garlicky flavor. And also, if you want your barbecue sauce or your wings to be spicy, because I like it spicy, I add a bit of, what do you say, red chili powder. You add your chili powder, make sure to cook it for a bit, because you don't want that raw smell of your chili powder to hit your wings. So let's just cook it down. And also, as you know, this is the water which we marinated the chicken, so we'll be adding the same water. So it has Old Monk also in this. Mix it. Don't add any salt, because the marinade we added a little bit of salt and also pepper. So it's been around 5 minutes cooking this sauce. It looks thick and it's kind of ready right now. So what we'll do right now is we'll be putting our cooked hot wings inside our sauce. We'll just toss it around so the sauce coats all the wings. Yes, our wings looks good, looks hot. Like, we'll just serve it a plate. Nice. And for the garnish, we'll be adding some sesame seeds. Yeah. Here is our fiery Old Monk wings ready. So guys, here we have our wings. So let's have a taste test. The wings are crispy. I love it. As I've added a lot of chili powder to the sauce, it's a bit spicy, and the barbecue sauce gives a nice hint of sweetness. And also the Old Monk, which we marinate chicken, I am not getting a lot of Old Monk flavor or the vanilla caramel flavor, but in the sauce I get the hint of vanilla thing that is going good with the spicy and the sweetness from the barbecue sauce. So I kind of love this recipe. Make sure to make this at home and comment below. So if you like this video, hit that like button, share my video, and also do subscribe my channel. Till my next video, remember, drink responsibly and cheers.